Hey guys, it's Trishaly. Kind of nice watching the birds and listening. Anyway, I'm sure there's much more fascinating nature videos out there. Mine's blurry and probably shaky, and so I better tell you a story to keep this entertaining. Although the sound of the crickets and the birds is pretty mesmerizing, don't you think? Anyway, it's all about the little things, hey folks? If you can learn to appreciate something like the sound of a crickets, or water running, or birds flapping, or making their bird singing noises, that stuff's all free. That stuff is all readily available for each and every one of us to enjoy. And yet, so many people are so wrapped up in being entertained by the big ticket motion pictures with all their special effects and CG animation and real expensive cameras and actors and productions, and nature's given all of this to us for free, and there's such an abundance of it. This is just one tiny little waterway in a tiny little spot on this big old world. And look, it's just teeming with life. It's just like a traffic jam over there. It's amazing. So yeah, I think a good message for this video is just to appreciate the things in life that are simple and free. Hi, William. I'm all zoomed in on your shirt, can't even see you. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Go out there and make it a great day. If I don't see you in the future, I'll see you in the pasture or at the pond.